Want to find potential fantasy football breakout players for 2026? Here's a simple method that you can use. The very first thing you want to do is head over to Safari and in the search bar search for 2026 fantasy football rankings and ADP. Now you need to head over to the very first site. Well, ADP or average draft position shows where players are typically being drafted. Look for players being drafted later than the established star but who would have a much bigger role this season. Next, check the player's opportunity. Look for changes in the depth chart, more available targets, a bigger workload, or a new team or offensive system. You should also check recent news, training camp reports, and preseason uses. Finally, compare several expert rankings instead of relying on just one source. The NFL, ESPN, and other fantasy sites regularly publish breakout and sleeper candidates for the 2026 season. The key is to find high upside players before their ADP catches up. And that's how you can uncover potential fantasy football breakout player for 2026. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.